Welcome. Today I'll show you how to fix the Safari could not install a profile due to an unknown error issue. So let's dive right in. First, close the page and return to the home screen. If you find my videos helpful, please subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's fix this issue. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update to ensure your iPhone has the latest iOS version. Update if necessary. Then, check if the problem is resolved. If not, try the next method. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Disable content privacy restrictions. Go back and check if the issue persists. If it does, try the next method. Scroll down and find Safari, tap on it, then tap on Clear History and Website Data. Confirm by tapping Clear History and Website Data again. Also close tabs. Next, tap on Advanced and then Website Data. Remove all website data. After clearing the data, check if the issue is fixed. Hopefully one of these methods resolves the problem for you. If it does, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.